Hi guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to send crypto in Coinbase. This is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. So, when you're sending money, what you need to do first is to simply ask for the recipient's wallet address. The recipient's wallet address is actually a unique code that will help you send your Coinbase money to another person. This will also have a QR code. So make sure that you are sending it to the same crypto. Like say for example, if you have Bitcoin, you should also send it to a Bitcoin account. Now, the next thing that you need to do is to open your crypto wallet and enter the address by scanning the QR code or pasting the recipient's wallet address. Select the amount that you want to send. Basically, when you're sending an amount, there would be a small fee called the gas fee. Now, once you've verified and confirmed the transfer, it will show up in the recipient's account or Coinbase. So, basically, one thing that you also need to remember is that if you're sending Coinbase to Coinbase, you can actually send it via email address. And the good thing about this, it's instant and free. And that's how you send a crypto in Coinbase. That's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and hope you find this tutorial helpful.